Welcome to the comprehensive training video on NissanConnect services, your gateway to a world of connectivity and convenience. In this tutorial, we'll cover all the details and features available on the home screen of the NCS app. Home screen overview. Vehicle information. At the top of the home screen, you'll find your vehicle's name, Almera MY23NVL. Click the drop-down menu to add another vehicle, if needed. Estimated fuel range. On the left side, you can see the estimated range your vehicle can travel, based on your current fuel level. Vehicle status. On the right side, you'll find indicators for whether your car is locked or unlocked. In the center, there are 3 circles with options: to lock, unlock, and a toggle switch for remote controls. This section provides access to various NissanConnect services features. Remote control. Door lock, unlock. Even when you're away from your car, you can use your smartphone to remotely lock or unlock your vehicle doors through the NissanConnect app from any location. This feature adds an extra layer of security, requiring a PIN code each time you use it. This feature is beneficial if you've forgotten to lock your vehicle or need to grant access when you don't have your keys. You can also check the door status remotely if you're away from the vehicle to ensure its safety. Lights, horn and lights. You can briefly flash the headlights and sound the horn of your vehicle through the app for a few seconds. The benefits include helping you locate your vehicle in a parking lot, whether it's night, through flashing headlights, or during the day by sounding the horn. Engine start, stop. You can cool down the cabin before getting into your car by remotely starting the engine with the air conditioning on. Note that this feature only lasts for 10 minutes, implemented for security purposes. Navigation tabs. Towards the lower part of the screen, you'll find different tabs for accessing additional features. Vehicle health. This tab provides access to information concerning your vehicle's condition and well-being. When opened, you'll see a visual representation of your vehicle, indicating whether it has any issues. Customers can use this feature to monitor their vehicle's status while driving or parking, ensuring it remains in good condition, even during emergencies when malfunctions occur. This section includes the following tabs. Tire pressure. This tab issues a warning if low pressure is detected by one or more of the tire pressure sensors. Brake. If the brake system of your vehicle is not functioning correctly, this tab will display a warning, indicating potential dangers while driving. Anti-lock braking system or ABS. In the case of ABS malfunction, a warning will appear. ABS is vital for maintaining control of your vehicle during heavy braking. Airbag. The SRS airbag warning light monitors the proper operation of the airbag system and the pre-tensioner seat belt system. Engine MIL or malfunction indicator light. A warning will appear if a potential malfunction in the engine control system is detected in your vehicle. Oil pressure. If low oil pressure is detected, a warning will be issued. However, please note that this warning is not designed to indicate low oil levels. You should regularly check the oil level using the engine dipstick. If any of these vehicle alerts trigger a warning, it is imperative to have the corresponding systems checked and repaired. Each warning comes with its specific disclaimer, and regular vehicle checks are necessary to ensure optimal performance and safety. Monitoring. This feature allows you to keep a close eye on various aspects of your vehicle. You can set up alerts to establish a speed limit, driving time restrictions, and area boundaries for your vehicle. Here's how it works. Speed alert. To set a speed limit and receive an alert if someone exceeds it, follow these steps. Click on Add Monitoring Alert. Choose Speed Alert. Select your desired speed limit. Optionally, personalize the alert by renaming it and adding an icon. Click Save. Curfew alert. Set an alert and receive notifications if someone drives outside of the allowed time period by following these steps. Click on Add Monitoring Alert and choose Curfew Alert. Specify the start and end times for the allowed period. To personalize the alert by renaming it and adding an icon, click Save. Area Alert. Set an area restriction alert if someone drives the vehicle beyond predefined boundaries. To add an alert, click Add Monitoring Alert. Choose Area Alert. Select Allow Within and the Location tab to specify the location. Set the range for the allowed area. For restricting an area, choose Restrict Within and the Location tab to specify the location. Set the range for the restricted area. Optionally, personalize the alert by renaming it and adding an icon and click Save. These monitoring features aim to reduce and prevent road accidents and provide customers with peace of mind, especially in situations involving stolen vehicles. Driving history. In this section, you can review your vehicle's driving data, including daily, monthly, and yearly summaries. Monthly view. When you open this section, you'll find options for monthly, individual months, and the year. The monthly view displays details about your vehicle's usage, such as when it was turned on, the distance traveled, and the time driven. Daily and yearly data. By selecting monthly, you can access a drop-down menu that allows you to switch between daily and yearly data views. In both the daily and yearly views, you can review usage patterns, distance traveled, and time spent driving. Customers can make use of this data to estimate their vehicle's operational costs and gain valuable insights into their vehicle's usage patterns. Vehicle service. Your vehicle needs servicing based on either a time or mileage schedule, whichever comes first. To set a reminder, follow these steps. Click the drop-down menu below the vehicle service due by, and select the desired date when your service is due. Enter kilometers due. Input the number of kilometers due by typing it in the field, Vehicle Service Due At. Additionally, the remaining mileage information can obtain the remaining mileage before your next service from a Nissan dealer or service center. After entering all the necessary information, click the Update button to set the reminder. By following these steps, you can ensure your vehicle's servicing is well maintained, whether based on time or mileage, and you'll receive timely reminders. Menu icons. Below the tabs, you'll see the menu icons for quick navigation. Home. Return to the main screen. Location. Access location-related features. Notifications. Check for any notifications. Help. Find assistance. Profile. Access your profile settings.